You want to know how to check your daily missions in Paladins? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can do it. It's super simple and under a minute, so let's get straight to it. Now, first things first, simply open up your Paladins game. So once you have run that, you should be provided with this interface right here. So this interface is your main menu. So once you're there, checking your daily missions is super simple. So there is not a specific daily missions option or a section, but you can choose it through away with activities. So on the left side, you can simply choose activities. That should be right above profile. So once you have figured that, you should be under this activities tab right here, where a new window should open up. So once you're under this window, here you can see your daily missions should be right here. So you can see its timing as well, which is 16 hours. 16 hours, this is your daily missions, which should be reset within a day. You can also switch or reroll quest by selecting reroll right here. Select confirm again and your rerolls will be done. And that's it. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.